This is a inflatable hand exerciser, and I'm just going to kind of like show you guys all of the functions of this thing. So this is it's got like a robot glove that combines flexibility and robot technologies along with like a pneumatic kind of muscle power source. It makes the hands close and open right here, and it's got a 5-volt 2-amp source, and that's what this right here is. You know what, let me just open it up. I've already opened this up and put it to the test, but I'm going to kind of like show you guys. Here's the bag it came in. I got mine in an extra large, and you can get them in a right and a left. So this is the right side, and I'm just going to show you how the right side works. It gives you a little exercise ball right here, by the way, so that's what the other hand can do. And by the way, they give you a left glove. This will go on the left hand just so you can exercise the left hand at the same time as the right. You get a little set of instructions. So I've already read over the instructions. You get a USB-C cable and a little power brick for the USB-C cable. You can run this off a wall if you want to. If you don't want to charge it, if it's dead, you can run it off of that. Now let me show you the actual glove itself. So you see how this thing works. It has these little pneumatic switches right here. All it does is add air to these things and close up the hand. This would be great for anyone that's got like any type of like problems with their hands opening and closing right here. This is very simple to set up. You're just going to plug the little air nozzle, goes in right there, and we'll go ahead and put this on charge. You can see it's getting a charge now, so I didn't charge this thing up all the way, so we'll go ahead and let it charge. But you can run it just like this, by the way. And to turn it on, you're just going to hold the button down for a few seconds, and you see it coming on. Now watch what the hand does. See how it's curling? I am not doing that. This is doing it all by this machine right here. There's different settings. You can go all the way up and see how it has one hand, two hands, and it's got different types of settings on here. So you could run 2 off of this apparently, and watch what it does. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn it off. You're just gonna slide all of your fingers up inside of these, and then this goes over like that. We'll go over the hand like that. See how you can go over the fingers. Now you see how it's all tightened up right there? You see how that is? Now watch when I start this. So my hand is loose right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start it, hold it down for a few seconds. As soon as it comes on, let's go all the way up. You can see the settings are all the way up. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let it do its thing. You see these right here? These can turn off a certain finger or hand at a time. Oh, I didn't plug it in. So plug this in right there. Now watch. Now what it's going to do, it's going to close up my hand. And at the same time, I could even use this thing right here on this hand. It's straightening my hand right now. That is completely straight. Watch that. Is that not cool? That's actually working very well, everybody. It's closing my hand up in like a fist. Now, obviously, you know, if you don't have any problems, you're not going to feel much with this. But if you had a problem opening or closing your hands, this is something I recommend for anyone that's got issues opening and closing their hands, because that's exactly what this thing is designed to do. Now, right now, it's straightened, it's lowering. Let me go ahead and show you. So if I just want to keep that one finger, watch this. I turned that one finger down. Now watch what it does. When it on this hand, look, this one will not go up, but it's letting these go up. You see what it's doing right there? Now this one's stuck in place, so it's stretching all of these tendons right here, and that feels really good. I like the way that feels right there. So then if I want to do, say I just want to do the ring finger, so I'll turn that one off. And it's also the same way. You could turn all of these off and leave one on. See what it's doing? See how it's holding one finger down right there? Just one finger. Let's do just one finger and see what it does. So this is the hand at rest right here. There it is. It's doing just that one finger out like there. Everybody, this is something I recommend for anyone, especially older, that's got maybe some hand problems and they just need some sort of exercise machine. I think this is something that, you know, you could just sit at your chair watching TV or doing something, drinking your morning coffee or something. And if I want to change some of the settings, I can change the settings right here, the different types of settings on there. Just like that. If I want to pause it, I can pause it. See, watch. That's paused. It's not doing anything. and then playing it. 3 modes on there and 9 different levels. And what it means is by this right here. So you can turn it up all the way. I usually run this thing wide open on there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the hand exerciser. PT hand exerciser. See you on the next video.